Here's a look at the December 2024 issue of Cleaner magazine. Florida's Matt Black took a bold leap, pivoting from plumbing to restoration after a customer's $8,000 billing horror story. Now, he's tackling mold, fire damage, and biohazards, turning challenges into 5-star reviews. Big-name competitors and tough sewer challenges don't scare Joe Watkins. With state-of-the-art equipment and the versatility of offering both septic and drain cleaning services, he's proving that being well-rounded is the ultimate advantage. What if one machine could cut job times in half? Drain Mob's $100,000 investment in the Spartan Defender paid off fast, handling tough 30-foot sewer clogs and doubling as a jetter and vac, no subcontractors needed. Did you know PVC pipes and risers can melt in intense heat? Wildfires don't just scorch landscapes, they can destroy critical septic components too. Learn the steps to safeguard systems and avoid costly post-fire surprises. Think tankless water heaters are too expensive? Think again. With rising energy costs and the potential for long-term savings, the right upselling strategy could make this investment pay off if you know how to pitch it to the right customer. Is it time to step away from your business? The options for selling or transitioning your company might surprise you. Are you prepared for the unexpected? This issue spotlights a range of powerful machines, from portable units for residential jobs to trailer-mounted jetters for heavy-duty municipal applications. A Winnipeg homeowner's in-ground pool was losing water, but a standard pressure test missed the culprit, a crack hidden in the pipes. Meanwhile, Lakewood, Colorado boosted municipal CCTV truck safety with the Vanguard Pathogen Defense System, cutting downtime and improving worker protection. This sleek, maneuverable trailer has a 300-gallon tank, wireless remote, and can run dry without damaging the pump. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner Magazine. See you next month.